Hi, good morning. David Stolfo here with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-614-6968 with any questions you may have about this really nice 2019 Crest II 220 Tri-Toon boat. This boat is outfitted with the CPT performance option. That includes that aluminum underskinning the full length of the boat. You got the 48 gallon fuel tank in the center log, which is nice. The C-Star hydraulic steering to help you turn easily. You got the Junior Beast ski tow bar, and the 325-inch logs makes the boat perform just magnificent. It's a good water sports boat. This one has the black metallic exterior with steel gray accents on the fencing outside, and then we went ahead and brought in the gray into the interior as well to kind of pull it all together, finishing it off with this rustic weathered gray flooring. That's polyvinyl, very resilient, super nice. This boat has the in-floor storage, or the ski locker we'll call it. Got a super nice helm, premium stereo with the LED rings around the speakers is nice. You got the Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. You've got the 2-inch depth finder, the tilt wheel with the sport aluminum tilt wheel. The all fiberglass helm is nice. The rotating captain's chair is super good here. This is a great seating plan. The SLS floor plan allows you to kind of have a nice group here, but then when you get your water sports going and maybe people are out and having fun in the water, you can tilt this on back and kind of make this a lounge facing that way. So it's nice and convertible. Good little area to work off of here. Do some fishing if you wanted to. Swimming off of there is great. And they give you a nice little storage area here. For me, you know, fishing poles and, trying to think, maybe your fenders, tackle box, those types of things. Maybe a Yeti cooler drop down in there, super nice. This one has the powder coated rails with the bimini top. Big, nice big bimini top. So thanks for looking at the boat with me. It's a Crest II 220. It's got the 150 horsepower outboard with lots of power and the CPT option. So I think it'll be a great member to your family. And you can call us at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. We can be reached at 770-614-6968. And I'm Dave Stolfo. Thanks for listening and have a nice day.